Hi, I'm Nidhi Paul. I am a Delhiite. I have done my BCom Honours graduation from Delhi University. After that, I did regular college MBA from JIMS College, Jagannath Institute of Management Sciences in Marketing and International Business. Along with that, I did another MBA from IMT Ghaziabad in HR and IT as minor. From JIMS College, I got campus recruitment in an IT research company called Prognosis E-Services. Now, over there, I was responsible for primary and secondary research for international markets as well as for the domestic markets. Over there, I used to analyze the market trends, competitor analysis. I switched to American Express India Private Limited, wherein I worked in the capacity of subject matter expert and senior business analyst. I was mainly responsible for analyzing the gap in the existing projects and solving it through DMAIC method. I used to do problem identification, used to gather the information. I contacted different companies different teams like IT and other teams for problem rectification, and have done many green belt projects on it, like reducing the SLAs, improving the CTQs, CTRs, and reducing and improving KPIs. After working 2.5 years, I switched to CSAV company. It's a shipping company in the capacity of process improvement manager. Over there also, I am responsible for problem identification, gap analysis, and solving problem through DMADB and DMAIC. I've done many projects in this, like reducing 7 FTE through the process migration, reducing the printout cost through the automation of an entire application, improving KPIs and reducing manual intervention through the automation of an application. In a shipping industry, we are supposed to complete some few of the cases in 48 hours. The maximum turnaround time is 48 hours. So in Saturdays and Sundays, my company is not working. So we analyze that the work which comes on Friday night was getting delayed. So, and overall we analyzed that there were 5 applications which the executives were using, which was taking time. So we identified the problems through various fishbone diagrams and various through brainstorming sessions and through meetings in subject matter experts. What we did was we consolidated the 5 applications in one application and developed the automatic schedulers. Now these automatic schedulers, we mentioned some rules which was given to us by the process owners, and through the rules the automatic scheduler runs every 2 hours, which closes the cases automatically through those rules, thereby reducing the need for the manual intervention. And
so what was the importance of these cases in terms of criticality?
In terms of criticality, you can say that whenever a ship leaves the port, some bill of lading needs to be made before that. If this is not made, the cargo cannot be discharged. So the maintaining of 48 hours is extremely important. The 5 applications that we consolidated are being used by different teams, not only this team, by different teams all across the globe. So we analyzed like what all teams, apart from the Indian team that is working here, this is back office India, what all teams based out in headquarters like Chile, North America, who can use this information. So there were very cross functional talks in North America, Chile, Germany, our ROD region, EMEA region, Europe. We collaborated with different teams, and basis that we developed this application, and now this application is being used all across the globe, which was basically first of all developed by Indian operations, but they liked our idea. Now it is used by various cross-functional teams for different purposes. The senior management once called me and told me that there is a problem, like in first 6 months the new joinees do not perform up to the mark, and we had to analyze what was the problem, and because of which they were not able to perform, there was a high attrition rate. So me along with the senior management sat together for hours and analyzed. We used many methods like Pareto and all, and therefore drilled down to a situation wherein we came to the conclusion that this was mainly due to training gaps. Now we analyzed, as a part of the process improvement group, I analyzed that there was a formal training method which was going on, but only very few things were put on it. The updated things, process managers never bothered to update it on the formal training tool. So what they did was they used to keep it on their shared drives, on their desktops, in any method, like on their departmental drives. So the training material was scattered. So what I proposed to the team management was, and which was the idea was liked by the management, was to make an application wherein we can gather all the data which is scattered on departmental drive, shared drives, formal training portal, and put it under one umbrella wherein any new joinee who joins in can go there and look at that thing and look into that thing wherein all these materials are placed. So there is step-by-step training procedure that was created along with the learning team, wherein I was also a part of that team. Now everything is on one under one umbrella. Also, this application called SharePoint gives you the facility of search. It has a search engine like Google. You type one word, like for example key process indicators KPI, and the number of articles in that application would appear like it appears in Google. Also, it also gives you the facility to they are alphabetical. Like if you click on B, all the terminologies related to starting from B will appear. And it also gives you the opportunity to make various things like making MS project, like giving the project, assigning work, closing the work, editing and deletion rights as well, view only rights, wherein if a person from other team wants to know what the other team is doing for the internal job posting, then he can go to that application and see what all the process, and he can prepare it for the interviews, things like that. Now this application offers many things.
Right, so the scope of this application is primarily for choosing the right training at the right time, or does it include more than that?
It includes more than that, because apart from training, you can keep your for example, if you learn anything new and you think that I want to keep it, then you can go to share drive. You have your own account, you can just file to it like I have learned this today, and if you want to share it with the other team, then this application offers you the blogging capability as well. You can tell it to your entire team like, okay, this is the thing that I have learned today, you can tell it. Apart from that, it also offers the announcements as well. For example, you announce that, okay, this is the bug that I am looking into the application, or this is the thing, this is difficulty I am facing. Then this would be visible to your team only. Now your team can answer it anytime. For example, if you are a team leader, you can announce that today we have a crunch of resources and you have to do this activity. So this offers multiple things apart from the trainings.